Now, back onto this job here. This is just a very quick video. The gasket that was on here before was a 3-hole gasket, and the holes correspond to the different thicknesses. Now, 1 hole being the thinnest and 3 holes being the thickest. If it's got no holes, that's even thicker still, but I've never seen one. And it's, you know, people think that by putting a thicker gasket on, the valves won't hit the pistons. Well, I'm sorry, you've got to cut the pistons back, the valves back, because it's piston protrusion that's important. And what you're supposed to do is use one of these bad boys to measure the piston protrusion. That means how much it's sticking out of the block. Well, not a lot of you guys have got one of them. But if you invest in a decent set of feeler gauges, which is quite incremental, these go up in 1/1000th of an inch because they're made in the States, but they also have metric at the bottom here, so we can tell you what it is. Now, I've already measured these, and why I'm showing you feeler gauges is you can put I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if we can get the camera, but you know, the half-assed angle like that. Ah, that's better. Get the piston to the top of the bore. Like this, look. You can see it's not moving, it's right at the peak. Right? Get your finger and your feeler gauge and put them side by side, like that. And you're going to measure them. Alright? You do it at the front, the back, and for each and every piston. And then you average it out. This one is 22 thou, or 0.559, or well, 0.56 if you want to, you know, round it up. And that's what it is. You know, you just use your finger. Now, this is interesting because this had a 3-hole gasket, and according to the guide or the specs, this should only have a 1-hole gasket. Interesting, eh? So I'm going to end this video here because it's only a quickie, and I'll do a picture at the end of the thicknesses. But now you know how to measure the piston protrusion. Does it make a difference? I don't know, but it's right, isn't it? It's the right way to do it. So just average them out, backwards and forwards, make a measurement of that average, that average, that average, and you should be okay. Yes, there's a bit of rust in here because it had a load of coolant in it, but we're not too bothered about that. It looks like we're going to get a new head for this, and but we need to measure the head thickness first, the piston protrusion. So you've even got me saying it now. Alright, so I hope you like that. That was a really quick video, but it's something that you can do at home without fancy gear. Alright, talk to you later.